Iraq stock market updates are as followed. Hello everyone, welcome back to Newsroom. I'm Chelsea Smith with your Middle East U.S. entertainment news here on YouTube. I air on Fridays, bringing you the latest on reforms and economics of Iraq based on reports put out by the Middle East news media outlets. I do this weekly review and it's based off my interest. Thank you everyone for joining me. Last week we talked about the dinar strengthens again, oil dreadlocks, Turkish ports of Ceyhan and Basra oil, the U.S. pressures on Iraq to resume Kurdistan oil exports, aim payment disputes, Iraq's regime, Iraqi's digital currency, gold growth stability and protection, liquid gas foreign market surplus, gas affairs, Iraq's digital banking, Iraq's financial is shifting. We shared a video during the week from our team, including some videos from our friends in Iraq regarding the ruble exchange rate. Let's take a look at this week's headlines. First on the list is Iraq-Finland trades boost. Iraq and Finland discuss stronger trades and investment ties, focusing on energy, AI, and infrastructure. With Iraq's improving business climates, Finnish companies may invest, boosting job creations and economic stability. This could strengthen Iraq's currency by attracting foreign capital and increasing international confidence. The United States and Iraq had phone calls discussing strengthening economic ties, energy independence, and attracting American investment, resolving contract disputes, and increasing private sectors. Involvement could boost Iraq's economy, stabilizing the dinar and enhancing long-term financial securities. Iraq's National Investment Commission is developing specialized energy hubs to attract global investments in oil, gas, and renewable energy. These hubs will create jobs, boost local industries, and reduce reliance on imports. By modernizing infrastructure and enhancing the private sector growth, Iraq strengthens its economy, increases foreign capital inflows, and supports a more stable exchange rate. This initiative aligns with long-term visions for economic diversification and energy independence, positioning the country as a key regional energy player. This week, I'm focusing on how the exchange rate can be stable. Iraq's Industry of Ministry is working with the United Nations Development Program to boost industrial developments under the 2024 through 30 strategy. Key areas include fertilizer, cement, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy. By supporting the SMEs, improving workforce skills, and creating jobs, this initiative strengthens Iraq's private sector and reduces reliance on imports. Increased industrial outputs can enhance Iraq's economy, attract foreign investments, and contribute to a more stable exchange rate through diversified revenue sources. Iraq successfully defends a $1 billion arbitration case, preventing financial loss and reinforcing its legal standings in global disputes. This victory protects public funds, boosts investors' confidence, and signals a stable business environment. By maintaining legal credibility, Iraq strengthens its ability to attract foreign investment, positively impacting economic growth. This also supports the exchange rate stability. Speaking about court cases in Iraq, an arbitration tribunal has been formed to hear the cases of allegedly public warehouse companies versus the Republic of Iraq regarding a $380 million investment in Korek Telecom. ICSID previously denied agility claims, but the companies resubmitted them following successes in other international arbitration forums. The ongoing cases highlight the importance of Iraq's legal environment in attracting or deterring foreign investments. A favorable outcome for Iraq would strengthen its legal standings, promote confidence in the business climate, and protect its financial interests, positively impacting economic stability. Iraq stock market updates are as followed. Several Iraqi stocks have resumed trading, boosting market activity. Iraqi for seed production, the AISP, resumed after approving expansions and the IQD 14.0 billion dividends. Iraqi agriculture product marketing meets, the AIPM, also resumed. Meanwhile, National Bank of Iraq, the BNIO, and the National Islamic Bank, the BNAI, will be suspended on March 24th for AGMs discussing capital increases and dividends distributions. Al-Mal Islamic Investment Bank, the BMAL, faces suspension on March 17th for regulatory verification. These developments enhance investors' confidence, increase liquidity, and support Iraq's financial markets, which can attract foreign capitals and stabilize the Iraqi dinar. Iraq is one of the highest gold reserves in the Arab countries at 162 tons. The Central Bank of Iraq, Ali Al-Awlaq, confirms this, stating that the diversification is critical to avoid risk. Iraq is the fourth largest gold reserves in the Arab world. And midweek, we showed a video that represents Iraq's energy. However, 3 days ago, Iraq shifts their energy. Let's see what they have to say. Iraq is seeking new energy sources after the U.S. ended an exemption, allowing it to buy gas from Iran. Without the supply, Iraq could lose 8,000 megawatts of electricity, causing major power shortages, especially in the summer. To compensate, Iraq plans to import liquefied gas from Qatar and Oman and increase energy cooperation with Turkmenistan, Jordan, and Turkey. This country is working on Gulf electricity connections that will provide 500 megawatts by June. Financially, the shift could be costly in the short term as Iraq builds infrastructure and supports new agreements. However, reducing reliance on Iran may lead to more stable energy prices and stronger economic ties with the Gulf nations in the long run. The Iraqi Ministry of Oil signs a contract with British companies BP to develop for Kirkuk fields, including Kirkuk, Afana, Baba, Bay Hassan, Kabaz, and Jambar. The contract aims to maximize the state resources from oil and gas, which would positively affect the federal budget. The ministry and the North Oil companies are focusing on rehabilitation and expansion of the gas facilities in the North Gas Company. The contract was signed in the presence of various officials. And regarding the Ministry of Council, Social Affairs, Trade and Finance, the Iraqi Ministerial Council for Economy has approved a request to postpone the implementation of the Iraqi vehicle specification and issuing car import license until the end of the year. The council, chaired by Deputy Prime Minister and the Minister of Planning, Fahud Hassan, discussed the local and global oil market reality, including prices, production quality, and expenses. The council also discussed the rehabilitation of vehicle registration sites, smart signals, and radar systems in Baghdad. The council also discussed the continuations of electricity supply, particularly during the summer, which we spoke about. The council approves the request, setting December 31st, 2025 as the final date for implementation. The council reflects the country's commitment to improving services, reduce congestion, and ensuring the continuation of electricity supply. Foreign investment is the key to Iraq's economic growth, reducing reliance on oil and shielding the country from price fluctuations, says Mauser Mohammed Shaleh, advisor to Prime Minister for Foreign Affairs. He emphasizes that integrating Iraq with global economy will create jobs, improve income, and introduce advanced technology. Investment is the key sector for energy, transport, and IT, will strengthen infrastructure while ensuring sustainable growth. Shaleh highlighted that with foreign investments aligned with the local labor markets, Iraq maximizes economic benefits and boosts employment, driving long-term national prosperity. And lastly, the General Secretariat of the Council of Ministers announced that Sunday, March 16th, 2025 will be a public holiday that marks the anniversary of crimes committed by the Ba'athist regime, including the Halabja massacre, Anfal, and the other atrocities. This decision is based on Article 1 of the Public Holiday Law, number 12 of 2024. And you've been watching Newsroom Weekly Review. I'm Chelsea Smith with your Middle East, U.S. and entertainment news on reforms and economics of Iraq, bringing you all the latest Dinar news without having to keep up with all the different outlets. I'm here on YouTube every Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn those notification bells on. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up. If you really like our content, you can always see a super chat or a super thanks in the comment section below. Again, thank you for being a subscriber, and thank you for visiting Newsroom Chelsea Smith for your trusted Dinar news. I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Make sure you join us Fridays, 4 p.m. with Newsroom Updates with Chelsea Smith, Entertainment News.